Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in the build and the immediate goal. Amplify a single damage source and survive long enough to snowball. Once done, slot your best weapon and swap non-essential gear for damage or resist where the dungeon biases. Make sure to consume a prep buff before entry. This shifts the early pacing in your favor. Use a teleport scroll only after you've gained a meaningful advantage, not at the first hint of trouble, so you retain momentum. Once inside deeper rooms, you convert early investments into sustained advantage by focusing fire and controlling enemy threats. You should alternate heavy bursts with repositioning to avoid cleave damage. This keeps you alive and maximizes uptime on your main damage. Make sure to track 1 or 2 key cooldowns so you can chain burst windows. When they align, you press hard. If encounters are predictable, trade a defensive slot for percent damage. You close runs by timing your strongest resources for the last phase. Keep 1 potion and a major cooldown for the final 20% of boss health, because that swing determines success. Once the boss falls, loot fast and choose upgrades that extend your next run's power curve. If things go wrong, if you get swarmed or burst down, do not hesitate to teleport out or switch to survival gear. This preserves progress and lets you retune strategy before re-entering the dungeon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.